Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. How are you today? Today we have a new lesson. We are going to learn alphabet in hobby and work.
Yay!
Are you ready? Let's go! A. Acrobat. An acrobat is an entertainer who performs difficult physical acts. You should not do this alone. It's dangerous. You need the help of a professional. A for acrobat. B. Baker. A baker is a person who makes bread and cakes. C. Clown. Clown are performers who performs comedy and arts to entertain people, especially on birthdays. D. Drummer. A drummer is the one who plays drums. E. Explorer. An explorer seeks and uncovers new knowledge around them. They are very curious about their environment. They really want to learn more and to understand more about their environment. If you are like that, then you are an explorer. F. Florist. Florists are the one who sells or grows for sale flowers and ornamental plants. They really are skillful on how to arrange plants, like bouquets. G. Gardener. A gardener tends, care, and cultivates a garden like a flower garden. Do you have a garden at your house? Good. Beautiful. H. Horse rider. The one who rides a horse. They are also called a cowboy. I. Inventor. An inventor is the one who makes inventions like a new machine or an appliances. J. Jester. A jester is a professional joker and also a comedian. They entertain people. K. Knight. A knight is a warrior of olden times. We can see knight today performing in a theater. L. Locksmith. A locksmith replaces locks and duplicate keys. M. Magician. A magician performs tricks on stage to entertain people. N. Nurse. A nurse assists doctors and cares the sick. O. Opera singer. An opera singer is a performer in a musical theater. They are also known as a classical singer. P. Pianist. The one who plays piano. Do you like playing piano? Then you're also a pianist. Q. Queen. They are considered as the mother of a nation, a wife of a king. R. Road mender. A road mender fixes road for passer safety. S. Sailor. A sailor operates a boat, ship, or a sailboat. They love oceans. T. Trumpeter. The one who plays trumpets. Utility worker. A utility worker maintains the safety and security of a building, keep it clean and order. Their role is very important. Without them, everything looks messy. V. Violinist. The one who plays violin. She's so skilled on playing the violin. You can see it in her hands. W. Waitress. A waitress served customers at their table in a restaurant. X. Xylophonist. The one who plays xylophone. Y. Yachtman. A yachtman owns or sails a yacht, or the one who is devoted to yachting. Z. Zookeeper. A zookeeper is the one who provides daily care to animals in the zoo. Wow, the elephant feels good. You did great, kid! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye!